morning of Navami today for the trial launch of Degree Plus platform that shall have courses ranging from 30 hours to 200 hours. We are today honored to have with us Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Nitin Karmarkar sir, Pro Vice Chancellor Sir Umrani sir, deans from all the faculties Manohar Chaskar sir, Parag Karkar sir, Sanjeev Sonavne sir, Anjali Kunne madam, and along with all of us, we have the Simply Learn director, Ashish Sood, who has joined us today, this morning. Um, we're really very fortunate to have this trial run, which is going to be starting on the auspicious day of Dasra. And we shall have some of the courses which are developed internally as well on this particular platform, along with the providers like Simply Learn, EDX, Yango, AWS Academy, Celebrity School, and ekida.com. Just a small understanding of what are these providers and what are the kind of courses that will be given to us. EDX shall be providing us courses which are being offered by various well-known corporations and universities like IBM, Harvard University, Deakin University, Linux Foundation, University of Washington, Technical University of Munich, Delft University, Columbia University, and so on. edX shall be providing the logins for 5,000 licenses to begin with for each of the student from who is an authorized student of Savitribai Phule Pune University. And each student will be able to take close to around 100 courses in this particular licenses. And these licenses will be increased as the number of logins increase, and depending on the interest level of the students, this is likely to go up. AWS is providing us close to around 6 courses, and all these 6 courses are free of cost to Savitribai Phule Pune University students. Simply Learn shall be providing us 72 courses in the domains of IT and data science, leadership and management, and some in the digital manufacturing space. Celebrity School shall be providing multiple courses from the best in class faculty members. There are also courses which are beyond the regular syllabus and curriculum. These courses are something that the student could take up, and this will lead to employability. For the login for each of the student, they will have to have a very small token fee of 350 rupees for the students to come in. With this backdrop and context, I will request Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir to kindly look at the trial launch and do the trial launch for Degree Plus platform of Savitribai Phule Pune University. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Apurva Palkar. It's indeed a pleasure to be with you all, especially at the occasion of the trial launch of the Degree Plus platform. And perhaps this is the first public state university which to an extent is thinking in this regard. What is Degree Plus? Madam's already explained about. There are a couple of basically courses ranging in time from say 30 hours to 200 hours or more, and which would be in the form of maybe a certificate or would be in the form of credits. And it encompasses all the faculty, not necessarily only science and technology. So basically, we are trying to make the student ready for the job market. These courses selectively been chosen which actually are not seen in their curriculum or embedded in the curriculum, but they are required because this is what is the requirement of the in and around ecosystem as such. So from that point of view, basically, to keep them ready, to get them ready up for the future market, for the future job opportunities, these courses actually been brought under one umbrella. There are many course providers, in fact, have come together. Few courses actually been created by the SPPO, and the certification obviously depending upon the courses will be done by the individual or maybe jointly, and that is how to a great extent will help student first of all to acquire the new skills, and then accordingly get prepared for the new job opportunities as such. So keeping those things in mind, this particular platform actually was envisaged. I'm so happy that my entire of the IT team, and I must specifically mention the names, whether it is Deepak Hardikar or Vikas Mahajan or many more. In fact, they have come together and day and night they have worked actually in creating this particular platform, very easy to make use of. And then these courses, otherwise, if you need to do as an individual, not through the University of Pune, these courses are very expensive as such. Because of the credentials of the University of Pune, all this majority of the service providers actually have provided a very, I would say, reasonable sort of a pricing for most of these courses as such. And that is what perhaps is the USP of this particular platform as such. So make use of it the most and try to get basically prepared for the new job market. And from that point of view, I'm actually appealing you all, try getting registered as early as possible and enhance basically your employability by adding a few new things which otherwise are not embedded in your curriculum. So once again, I thank every one of you. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, sir. So here is an opportunity to every student from the university purview to log in to degreeplus.in/demo/ to get into and understand all the courses that are being offered. I'm sure you can see that on the screen. Degreeplus.in/demo/. With this, I will request Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, sir, to give his remarks on this particular platform.
Respected Vice Chancellor, all the respected deans, Director, Incubation, Innovation, and friends. Savitribai Phule Pune University has been always at the forefront in order to take the all type of efforts and endeavors to provide the social justice to the masses through quality higher education. On the campus, presently we have 50 plus academic departments. All the departments are known for cutting edge research and innovation. And today, on very auspicious day, we are going to start in very small way to bridge the gap between industry needs and curriculum content. We all know higher education has been changing very drastically in the form of contours and contents only because of the needs of economy. Therefore, education, economy, ecology, and ethics have to come together in order to make the future generation very robust in order to contribute to the GDP of our great nation. Degree is not enough. At the same time, we need to create the wonderful leaders in order to take the decisions, designing the policy, and take those policies and schemes to the grassroots, which you call always bottom of the pyramid. I think the students of this university as well as students of even affiliate colleges going to get the benefit of these very important cutting edge skill courses through Degree Plus platform. I wish all the best for this campaign. Thank you very much.
On the auspicious occasion of Vijayadashmi, that is Dasra, Savitribai Phule Pune University is making a trial launch of Degree Plus platform for the students. We all are aware that students who are coming out of universities, they lack in the kind of practical skills. This Degree Plus platform will definitely provide some kind of practical skills to the student. There is a basket of skill sets which are available to the student. So from various platforms, student can choose a different kind of skill. So while getting the degree from the prestigious university like Savitribai Phule Pune University, student can acquire few more skills which will definitely help them for getting good employability. I wish this platform all the best and appeal all the students from the Faculty of Commerce and Management to browse through all available courses and check that what courses will add to their skill set which will give them more employability in future. Thank you very much.
Considering the challenges in higher education, Savitribai Phule Pune University had taken one initiative. I think it will be a great initiative in this nation to make available the courses through the Degree Plus platform, which will help to raise the value of the graduates. Also, second thing, the industry and the academia gap between the graduates with the knowledge level, skill level and their attitude level. The third thing is very important, that the workplace challenges are very different and the classroom teaching is very different, and how to match this. For this purpose, I think the Degree Plus program will help to meet these challenges and the value added graduates which will be prepared by the Savitribai Phule Pune University initiative of Degree Plus program will really help to make this nation a Atmanirbhar, which will be globally accepted graduates we will prepare through years. Friends, there is a great opportunity. Only the universities are producing, only giving a particular curricula. But beyond that, what we can do, when we look outside the window, wherever our eyes reaches at the horizon, we will see. But this is only the beyond the degree. Add on your values in the knowledge level, attitude level, skill level. Just I told you. I appeal to you, everyone, go through the courses, select the courses which will be really help to you to raise your own value, which will establish in the society. You will be a great citizen of this nation, not only as a ordinary one, having a extraordinary knowledge and skill. Wishing best for that, and again appealing that take the benefit of Degree Plus program of Savitribai Phule Pune University. Thank you.
Dear friends, presently you will get the degree from Savitribai Phule Pune University, BSc, BE, BTech, ME. All these degrees not give the global platform as a competition as a student. So, the Savitribai Phule Pune University today launching a Degree Plus program. In this Degree Plus program, they provide the various courses: artificial intelligence, data science, IoT, internet thinking, like this. So, to develop the skill into the student, all these courses are necessary. So, I request to all students, when you will going to complete the degree, at least 1 or 2 courses you will do and get the knowledge and try to develop yourself. So, you are the one of the competent level at the global internationally. So, once again my humble request as the Dean of Science and Technology to all students to do something innovative, and from learning this innovative create some usefulness to the in yourself. So, you will get the very much beneficial in the future. Thank you very much.
Friends, university is offering new additional courses which are not the part of our regular curriculum, and these additional courses are basically on the digital data sciences, digital marketing, which would be statistical courses. So, which would be very helpful when you pass out, when you go for the in search of job. So, employability would be increased through these courses. Of course, we would also add in these courses relating to the society education. this would be helpful to science students, also for the social sciences students. So, I would request all the students to be a part of degree plus course. Thank you.